Calendar. We all use calendar in our day-to-day life for seeing for seeing any festival, for seeing any holiday list, or if we want to know a particular day. Like if I'm having a birthday, I want to see which day my birthday is. So I will see the calendar. Now this is a calendar of 2020 year. So if you will see, in a year we are having total how many months? 12 months. How many months are there in 1 year? In 1 year we are having 12 months. In 1 year equal to how many days we are having? We are having 365 days. But in a leap year we are having one extra day. That I will explain you later. In one day, how many hours we are having? 24 hours. In 1 hour, how many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 minutes we are having. Now, in 1 hour, how many seconds? So what I will do, I will multiply 60 into 60. 60 is for minute and one more 60 for second. So the answer is 6 6 are 36 and 2 0. So in 1 hour we are having 3600 seconds. Now let us see in which month we are having 31 days and which month we are having 30 days. So there is one trick to find 31 days and 30 days. If you will close your fist and if you will see this, you will see that when your finger comes on the top, 31 days we will take. So if we start counting the month, like January is on the top, so we are having 31 days for January. Now February will fall on downward. So February is an exceptional cases because it is having only 28 days and 29 days in a leap year. So February will come for 28 days. Now after February, March. Again March is on the top. So it is having 31 days. Then March, April. April is having 30 days. Now January top, February down, March top, April down, May 31 days. Then after May, June 30 days. Then again July on the top, so July will come for 31 days. After July we will again reverse back on the top side, that is August. So July and August both are having 31 days. August, then after September is on downward side, so it is 30 days. September, then October again on the top, so October 31 days. So August, September, October, November again on the downward side, so November is of 30 days. Then December on the top side, so December is on the 31 days. Now coming to leap year. What is leap year? After every 4 years we are having a leap year. Now currently 2020 calendar, if you will see, February is having how many days? 29 days. So 2020 is a leap year. Why it is leap year? I will tell you. We know that this is a sun and the earth revolves around the sun. So the first orbit is for Mercury, the second orbit is for Venus, and the third orbit is for Earth. So this earth revolves around the sun in its own orbit. When the earth completes one revolution, 1 year is passed. 1 year means 365 days. But it will not complete whole 365 days. When one revolution is completed by the earth around the sun, it will take 365 days and 6 hours. But when we take for 1 year, we only consider 365 days. This 6 hour will considered after 4 years. Means in second year also, we are only considering 365 days. But we are excluding 6 hours. Again, in the third year, we are again having the earth take 365 days and 6 hours. In the fourth year also, the earth revolve around the sun and it take 365 days and 6 hours. Now, since the 4 year has been passed, the earth revolve 4 revolution. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this way, it will complete 24 hours after 4 years. So this 24 hours will add on the 4th year, that is known as leap year. So that is why in a leap year we are having 24 hours or 1 day, because 1 day is equal to 24 hours. This 1 day we take it in a leap year. So that is why we are having a leap year after every 4 years. So that is known as, so on February month we are having 29 days, and this 29 days is also known as leap day. But remember one thing, how to identify the leap year? Yes, it is also very simple to identify the leap year. How you can identify? You just have to write the year and divide it by 4. If it is divisible by 4 and if the remainder is 0, then it is known as leap year. For example, what were the leap year? 2016 was a leap year, and after that 2020 was a leap year. The next leap year will come at 2024, 2028 and so on. So if you will see, 2016 is divisible by 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 4s are 16. So if you will see, 2016 is divisible by 4. So that is why this is a leap year. So in this way you can identify the leap year by dividing by 4. And if the remainder is 0, then that particular year is known as leap year. Thank you.